Okay, problem 1046. It's a system of nonlinear equations, and they're asking us to solve for x and y where they're real numbers. We certainly went through paper and pencil work. I certainly typed up over here. And I noticed I made an error over here. Let me just do a solution domain. Yeah, they got to be greater than or equal to 0. Let's start by squaring. I gotta correct that. All right, so let's square that out. I mean, correct it. Okay, let's go back to it. So, it's more errors. This is getting crazy. I'll come back to that later. But anyway, what I want to go through is I went through that. I got solutions. I got, basically 2 points, and there's symmetry. We expect that just by looking at the actual equation. We're expecting symmetry. So looking at a picture, I do see that the two curves have been graphed out, at least for when x and y are greater than 0. And the 2 points found, and they're the points of intersection, one over here and one over here. All right. So, the question is there any numerical errors? And what I want to do is go to Sage, all right, to check my work. Let's go to that. And what I'm going to do is Sage. I'm in Sage now. I'm going to type reset. Next thing I'm going to type in is I'm going to define the variables x and y. The next thing I'm going to do is type in equation 1. And equation 1 is the square root of xy equals 5. And let's go back over that. That's the first equation. And then I'm going to type in equation 2. And equation 2 is the square root. Inside that root symbol is the root of x plus the root of y, and that equals 3. And then what I do, I want to solve that system of equations. And what I do is I couple them together. So I say, take equation 1, equation 2, couple it together, and tell me what xy is, or the solution to that system. What does it give me? Well, let's go over that. It gives me these numbers over here. Now, a lot of students look at this and wonder, is that the same answer I got? Well, let's take a look. All right. So I notice the first answer they're reporting to me is this one over here, which is minus 9 halves square root of 61, 71 halves. And the y is going to be, let's take a look at it, 71 over 2 and 9 root 61 over 2. So that works out. And you notice there's symmetry over here. So it works as advertised. Thank you.